see just turns to dust. I'm like, yeah, cock back and bust. The wasteland we trust for my Wazer Wifle. Hot damn laser beams a must. Everybody I see just turns to dust. I'm like, yeah, cock back and bust. The wasteland we trust for my Wazer Wifle.
Wanna buy my Wazer?
Yo, Scab Team City, 2250. Chubbs, McFats, and my best friend Billy. And I'm digging through the bag of a dead slave. Really all I got is a broke 10 mil. Now gimme, I'm safe in the dark. No gun means danger. Can't take the chance to be saved by the stranger, or be discovered by an outcast ranger. Mysterious.
You look like you're handy with a weapon.
F***ing ain't right. Did you find something worth it? Something I could use as a shotgun surgeon? I'm urgent, I'm hurting. We need to put work in. What the f*** is this? Goddamn, Billy, what the f*** you just give me? It's heavy, and the kick when it shoots try and kills me. It's even got cells. Goddamn, be the next man looking like a sucker.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hot damn, laser beams a must. Everybody I see just turns to dust. I'm like, yeah, cock back and bust. The wasteland we trust for my Wazer Wifle. Hot damn, laser beams a must. Everybody I see just turns to dust. I'm like, yeah, cock back and bust. The wasteland we trust for my Wazer Wifle.
I'm a crazy rival with the Wazer Wifle, trying to make do strong through this wasteland survival. From NB to DC, super mutants run from me. The cycle is strong and my pack is done charging. Click, clank, clank, zip, zip, zoom, zap, and another one turns to dust over caps. Kill or be killed or become something worse. Try my tri-beam burst. Stealth boy ready, gotta get past the death claw. All my ghoulies at the party waiting for the alcohol. I have to go now, though I'm over encumbered. Got a bottle cap mine just in case I get discovered. I'm not concerned, I got a ninja perk. A bloody mess gun nut demolitions expert. Always putting in work just to earn my worth on this radiated planet called Earth.
Hot damn, laser beams a must. Everybody I see just turns to dust. I'm like, yeah, cock back and bust. The wasteland we trust for my Wazer Wifle. Hot damn, laser beams a must. Everybody I see just turns to dust. I'm like, yeah, cock back and bust. The wasteland we trust for my Wazer Wifle.
Sir, I strongly advise you stay away from that.
Shut up,
body.
robot. You don't tell me what to do. I gotta loot this body real quick. Might have something worthwhile.
Yes, sir.